شوف عيوني يا حبيبي تعلم مني الحب.
Hi everyone, and today we will dance beautiful pop song choreography. We start on stage in this position. You see, not this, just this. Be like a queen. So, and after with music accent, we start one beautiful arm, just left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wave, wave. After we do with right and left together. 1. So right, first one, left, second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue with wave. And now we do step forward, push your chest and add your arms like this. 1, 2, 3. And try during this movement, look up. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. One more time, sorry. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And now left in front of you. And we do 1, 2, 3. Left, right. And we start from wave. Like 1, 2, 3. 1. And continue with circle. 2, 3. Step. Push your upper body forward. And come back. Okay, so 1, 2, add a little bit hips. You can do omi, you can do 8, and after in music accents, we do. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and now pay attention to your leg. 1, 2. So now about leg, but we will do with upper body. Up and push your leg. 1, hop, 2. 1 and 2. And during this movement, we do back bend like this. 1. One more time. Up and continue with steps. We do chassé 1, chassé 2, step. And we start with right, 2 turns. 1, 2. Continue with right. 1, 2, 3, chassé. 1, 2, 3, chassé. Accent. And we do 3 turns, but 1 and 1, 2. So, first 1 and 1 and 2. And after this, we do accents with our hips. We will do omi. So you can do with higher or without, it doesn't matter. Up and 1, 2, 3, up, 3, 4. Sorry, we do up, 1, 2, 3 with hips and belly accent. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, like you want. You can do with like a flutter, but it's not flutter, just accents. 1, 2, 3, or in, out, in, out. And now we continue with steps by back, but with accent. You can use your skirt if you have long skirt, or if you don't have long skirt, you can do just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we will do steps 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, double steps 2 times. And now we continue with steps by circle, with cross steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, accent, turn, 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 3 turns, and after last turns, third turns, we do higher. One more time, with steps, with cross steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, accent, 1, 1, 2, 3. And in this position, we start with camel, camel, and with arms like this. 1, 2, 3, and 1. So we stay on left leg, and after this I do accent up, accent with my right leg, up, turn, step back, and now my left leg in front of me. And I do 1, with right or with left arm. 1, and stay in this beautiful position.